In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circular shape, which is an especially handy technique if you're designing circular logos or labels. We'll be using an easy method that will help you create visually appealing text that wraps seamlessly around your circular design. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to create the base of our design, which is the circle. To do this, head over to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Once you're there, look for the Shapes option and give it a click. You'll see a variety of shape options appear. What we're looking for specifically is the oval shape. Click on it, but here's a little tip. As you draw your circle on the canvas, hold down the Shift key. This ensures that your shape remains a perfect circle rather than an oval. With your circle in place, it's time to move on to adding some text. To do this, we're going to use the Word Art feature. Still under the Insert tab, find and click on Word Art. You'll recognize it by the big A icon. Feel free to choose any style that catches your eye, because you can always edit the text style later on. Once you've selected a style, go ahead and type your text into the Word Art box that appears. Now comes the fun part. Curving the text. Click on your Word Art text to select it. You'll notice a new set of options appear. Depending on your version, head to Shape Format or Drawing Tools, then to Format. From there, find Text Effects and give it a click. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to hover over the Transform option. Here, you'll see a variety of warp styles, and you'll want to focus on the circular options: circle, follow path, arch up, and arch down. Pick the one that you think best complements your design and watch as your text automatically curves. At this point, your text might not fit perfectly around your circle, but don't worry, you can easily adjust this. Notice the yellow handles surrounding your Word Art text? You can click and drag these handles to adjust how tightly your text curves. For further adjustments, you can also resize the Word Art box itself. This allows you to change the curve's dimensions, helping you achieve a snug fit around the circle shape you inserted earlier. Take a moment to position the Word Art over the circle by dragging it into place. Ensure that the text aligns perfectly around the circle to complete your design. And there you have it, a beautifully wrapped piece of text around a circular shape, perfect for any logo or label project you're working on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing and experimenting with different styles to enhance your design skills even further.